Hello again everyone and welcome back to my food channel, and today we will be talking about New Leaf Authentic Japanese Restaurant. Now, Japanese food is my second love, and moving back to Pangasinan meant I couldn't eat some good Japanese food no more until I saw this place just along the food strip of Music Warehouse along Paris Boulevard in Dagupan City. Now, New Leaf has already been on the scene for some time. I remember their original location was somewhere in Amado. I'm not 100% sure because someone only took me there. Ever since, I was looking for it again and again, but it never showed up. Was it all my imagination? I remember the fried maki was really good there. So you can bet your lucky stars I was glad to see their new place. They open around 11 in the morning, I think, because the first time we went there, it was still closed. So we came back after lunch. Instantly, you are greeted with a cool Japanese accented interior, complete with hanging sakura decor. The division curtain from the dining to the kitchen with Japanese calligraphy written on it, and the wooden tables. So if you love anime, you know what I'm talking about. And the lighting was also subdued and cozy. I immediately fell in love. Fingers crossed that the food don't disappoint though. We ordered the California Maki for 188 pesos, and it's your typical California roll with crab sticks, mangoes, and cucumber. I didn't get a taste of it, but I heard that it was good, so 3 out of 5 stars. The cheesy salmon roll is for 210 pesos, and I love salmon, and I wondered how it would taste with cheese, so I decided to try it or give it a go. I wanted to try the fried one again, but decided on this because I am cutting down on oil at that time. It's okay, it's good. It's not really special, but it was good. So again, 3 out of 5. And we also ordered the GYU-DONBURI or the beef bowl for 168 pesos. This is the best, super authentic Japanese flavor, and topped with the raw egg sealed the deal. Well, don't be too scared because the egg does get cooked once you mix it all together. If you don't like this style, you can ask for it to be removed or served scrambled or sunny side up. But you seriously need to eat it like this. It helps bond all the ingredients together, and I give it a perfect score, not only because of the taste, but also because they use Japanese rice. A lot of Japanese restaurants don't use Japanese rice, and it's a huge disappointment. The difference is, it's more sticky, which is good for making sushi, sashimi, and maki, and the grains are rounded instead of our typically elongated rice grains here in the Philippines. So you get a different texture in your mouth. So will I go back? Yes, 100%. I can't wait to try their other salmon dishes and still longing for that fried maki. Are they authentic? Yes, 99%, with the 1% because the fish isn't fresh, but that is to be expected here in the Philippines. Salmon and tuna aren't really our staple food. They do have a sign outside that says you need to wait a max of 20 minutes for food to be served because it's prepared fresh, but it didn't take them that long. So in summary, taste 4 stars, service 5 stars because of the free house tea, and ambience of the place is around 5 stars too, very cozy. Value for money is 4 stars, affordable. So give them a visit and let me know. I'd love to know. Comment down below of your experience. So till next time, visit again my channel, and don't forget also to follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Thank you. Have a nice meal. Bye-bye.